they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer. The killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon. Hindi ko man may ano. Alam mo naman sabihin ko, look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer. What did you admit? Yes, I would admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko sa kanila, yes, I admitted killings, 1,000. Pagdating so what about the statement? Good look, if you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you're an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. When I said thousands of chickens, marami kong pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note,